Hello, YouTube friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Now I am going to be working on two of these. It's not ready. I did some of it already to kind of make the video a little bit faster. But I get these from the Dollar Tree. It's little drawers that I want to use for putting jewelry. I have this special place that I want to put it. And then store, I don't know, rings and necklaces and stuff like that. So I'm using hot glue and E6000 to glue them together because I don't want them to fall apart. So I'm using E6000 and hot glue to glue them together. So I glue 3 at a time because the space that I have only fits 3. It does not fit more than that. So I'm making 2 sets, and I'm gonna be decorating them. So this is how I glue them 3 at a time. Now next, you glue the mirrors from the Dollar Tree as well. And I have this, I don't even know what this is called, blinkings, whatever this is called. Show you guys close by. It is beautiful. So I am gonna decorate with it and hot glue. I don't think I'm gonna use regular glue on this. I think I'm just gonna use the hot glue. And I'm gonna be doing like a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna start in the front because you always want to make sure that the front part of it is really neat. So I'm gonna start in the front, and I'm going to do, and I still have to do the front part, but I want to make sure it stays on before I glue the rest. So I'm gonna glue half of it, and then I'm going to go back and glue the front. There you go. It's so beautiful. Now I'm going to glue the left, ow, it came off because I think I was pressing too much. See? But now I want to glue this part, which is falling off. And I'm going to have to use, I shouldn't use this, I don't want to use that. I'm going to use this for right now. I need to get a little pick. There you go. There you go. Now this is gonna be, now the front part, actually I don't even need to glue the front part. I'm gonna do both sides. This side as well. Also starting at the front. All right, so then I'm gonna do now. This part is, I don't know if it's gonna work because I can't use the whole piece. So I would need to cut this in half, and I don't know if I can, but so let me try first to see if I can cut this in half. Nope, I don't think it's gonna work to cut this in half. I don't want to break it, you know. I have to figure it out. Let me figure it out while I'm offline. I can get this. There you go. All right, so I found these. I had a two, and this is what I'm gonna use for their little spot, and also with hot glue. I think I'm gonna just put the hot glue right there, and then, ooh, I have burned my finger all the time. And then I'll do that right there. Perfect. Perfect. Then I'll do this side, which I think on this side I may have to. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna turn and use the hot glue right there too. And then I will start on top, bringing it down. All right. And same thing over this side. All right. Perfect. Now I gotta clean up the alcohol. Oops. Clean up the mirrors. Now, as far as the draw, because the draws, I cannot even say that word. I have to think about what I'm gonna do with them, but I think I'm not gonna do much. I think I'm just gonna leave them clear and just do a little thing on the top. I'm not sure yet, but I think that would be the best for me to put my stuff on it. Or I can always do, oh yeah, that's a good idea. There you go. Nice, beautiful. So now the drawers, let me see, if I leave the drawer like that, I could put a little blinking in here. Then people are gonna see what's inside of it. So I don't want to do that. I think I am gonna do glitter in here, because then you see it through. So let me get the Mod Podge. Yeah, I like the idea of putting the glitter, guys. And when it dries, it will be very pretty. See, I put the glitter in the back. So when it dries, it's gonna show the glitter. And I use the Mod Podge to put the glitter on. Pretty simple, straightforward. When you put glitter on, make sure that you spread the glue evenly, so that you don't have, I didn't do it very evenly on the corner. But this is how it looks. And this fabulous glitter that I love. This is so exciting because it's almost Friday. Then I'm just gonna let this all dry. Last one, I'm making the 6 of the drawers all the same. I have a lot of stuff. What I'm going to do as well, one of the days, the future videos will be something to hang my necklaces that I did. I did jewelry, homemade jewelry, and I have so many necklaces that I don't know if it happens to you guys. Tell me in on the comments below. Do you guys have so many jewelry that then you don't know where you have all your necklaces and you end up using nothing because it's like hidden somewhere? I have a drawer that I have all this stuff and I never use them because of that. So I want to put them all in these boxes. These 2 boxes that I'm making for myself. I'm gonna be putting the earrings and bracelets, and the necklaces I want to put in the other one. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. This is gonna be once it dries, it's gonna go in there. So maybe I'll stop the video and come back when it's dried, or at least somewhat dried. All right, guys, I decided to do this, to cut this little fork for hors d'oeuvre that I got from the Dollar Tree. Cut this part off. See, this is how it is. I want to cut just this part and use it in the drawer. So I need, and then I'm gonna hot glue it. So I'm going to need about 6 of them, and I'm gonna glue it right there. Let me show you guys right here. And I'm gonna do with the hot glue just because it's easier and faster, and I want it to be fast. There you go, that's it. So this is gonna make a little handle. Should I remove the dart? But look how cute it looks. See, it's almost dried already. Once it's dried, I'm gonna put another coat of Mod Podge on top of these so they won't come off. But this, look. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am gonna be cutting these guys. And another thing too, you can save these other parts because you never know. You might be able to use it somewhere. Two. Three. They're so easy to cut. 4. I only need 5 because I already did 1. And then I will save those because I'm sure I'll find something to do with these guys. Yeah, I'm sure I will. So I'm putting back in here. Now this Dollar Tree, for us that do art, these Dollar Tree drawers are perfect. I save all my stuff in them. They're so cool to have. I don't want to touch the glitter because it's not completely dry yet. So I gotta be careful. I also changed my glue. I've been using the hot glue. That is so much better. And then I just hold a little bit so it'll get the contact. See, it looks so cute with the little silver thing. The glue is going so fast. I am so ready for this weekend, guys. I don't think I'm gonna work this weekend. I know I have to work, I think, at home only. I put too much glue on this one. If you put too much glue, ouch, then you burn your finger getting them out. But I don't want to have too much glue showing, you know. They are so cute. I should probably just put the glue in here instead of there. Then I don't run the risk of putting too much glue. Ouch, burning my finger here, guys. Oh, I just touched the glitter. Shoot. Oh, it's dry. On this one at least. Thank God. No glitter touching. I don't know about putting over here and burn my finger. Ouch. Keep burning my finger, guys. Whoa. There you go. And last one. So I'm going to give it another hour maybe, or half an hour, while I'm prepping my stuff that I'm gonna be doing in my next video. You guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned, sign up, and click on the notification so that you get all my new videos. And please help me grow the channel, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Talk to you later. Oh, I'm gonna wait until before I say goodbye. So hold on. All right, so I just want to show you the end product, and then I will be working on something else. But I want to put everything out, put everything away. This doesn't go in here. This goes in there. And I have these from the Dollar Tree. These are perfect to store all my art stuff. See? Anyway, so let me show you the final product, how it ended out. I just love it. And it looks so cute, perfect for my jewelry. So this is how it looks. See? It's quite not dry yet, so this is going to be even shinier when it really dries the glue. But this is how it looks. And I did too because I got too much stuff. And I wanted to do the same so that where it goes, it will go well together. There you go. Thanks for watching me, guys. Please subscribe, share your video, share the video, get your friends to join me. I really appreciate it. And if there was anything that you guys want me to make, let me know. I'll be glad to. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. God bless.